Cities and towns in the culinary capital of the Philippines were recognized by the Pampanga Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council for their programs in calamity response and mitigation. Philippine Information Agency Central Luzon's Aldrin Malyari has the details.
The PDRRMC cited outstanding cities and municipalities in Pampanga through the 2024 Disaster Resilience and Enhanced Adaptation and Mitigation or DREAM Assessment awarding ceremony. In his message, Governor Dennis Pineda lauded all LGUs for their efforts in continuously enhancing their disaster preparedness and response capabilities.
Importante po kayo. Actually, kayo po ang first line of defense natin. Kayo ang una namin inaasahan bago po kami sa provincial. Kaya dapat palakasin ho natin lahat ang mga LGU natin. So kung ano pa ho matutulong ng provincial government, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ho yan. Hindi ho kami aatras sa pagtulong sa inyo. Kung ano po yung pangangailangan, nandito po kami laging nakasuporta sa mga LGU natin.
Mabalacat ranked first in the city category and received a combi spreader cutter with accessories and personal protective equipment from the provincial government. Magalang, on the other hand, topped the municipal category and took home a fire truck. The DREAM assessment will resume in 2026 to give other LGUs ample time to improve their disaster initiatives. From the PIA Central Luzon, Aldrin Malyari for Balitang Pambansa.